Well, it's not just ally Shiv Sena. BJP has also hit back at the NCP chief. Sharad Pawar says the NCP is staring at defeat.
शरद पवार जैसे अनुभवी और कद्दावर नेता, उनका बार बार तो संयम ढल रहा है, तोल जा रहा है। इसका मतलब यह है कि कांग्रेस और राष्ट्रवादी के सामने जो डिफीट दिख रहा है, उसके कारण, उनकी मनस्थिति बिगड़ने के कारण उस प्रकार के स्टेटमेंट वो दे रहे हैं। उनका अनुभव और उनके बारे में जो हमारी अपेक्षा है वो ध्यान में लेते हुए मुझे लगता है कि उन्होंने ऐसे स्टेटमेंट देना ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, और उनकी जो मनस्थिति वो देखते हुए उनको उदार अंतःकरण से माफ कर देना चाहिए।
Let's go across to Megha Prasad, who's on the phone line with us. Megha, of course, the BJP there defending Narendra Modi and criticizing Sharad Pawar for that direct attack. But as far as Pawar is concerned, will his statement be seen as a flip-flop by many? Because let's not forget, just days ago, he gave a clean chit to Modi as far as 2002 is concerned.
Well, Mr. Sharad Pawar seems to be having the most confusing stand as far as Mr. Narendra Modi is concerned, and this is something we've been asking his party members, his senior party fellows, people close to him, time and again in the last couple of weeks, because, you know, it is not only confusing for people who are watching him closely, but also for his own party, because he's been making different statements in different interviews, in different speeches, at different places. Sometimes he would have a line which says that when Mr. Narendra Modi has been given a clean chit by the courts of this country, then that verdict should be respected and one should not be raking up all the rights issues against him. On the other day, he would himself rake up issues by saying that people who were close to him actually went ahead and burnt innocent people alive during 2002 and just few kilometers away from the Chief Minister's residence.
Right.
So these are the direct sort of statements that he makes, and then he turns around. So his party himself is quite confused as to what line is he taking. A lot of people are telling us that probably this is just public posturing,
right.
But both the leaders have had some sort of an understanding that if a situation such arises after the polls, they not even come together. But right now, it is posturing from both Mr. Modi and Mr. Sharad Pawar in the public, just to give the signal that they aren't together.
Megha, also interestingly, Uddhav Thackeray in his statement today has categorically said that there have been moves on the part of Sharad Pawar to get into the NDA, and he is saying that the Shiv Sena has protested that.
Well, the Shiv Sena, of course, has today taken pot shots and pretty serious ones at Mr. Sharad Pawar. The problem really here is this, it is not so much about what Mr. Sharad Pawar says about Narendra Modi or the BJP. The problem here is that the Sena has been irked for quite some time after, of course, the news of Mr. Modi and Mr. Pawar meeting, having a secret meeting came out, and after which, of course, there was a confirmation from none other than Mr. Pawar that indeed he met Mr. Narendra Modi. Since then, of course, has been very miffed. What they have said in the Samana today is that there is no way in which the Sena would allow the entry of Mr. Sharad Pawar in the fold of the NDA. The Samana has also said that in the past, Mr. Pawar tried very hard to get himself included in the NDA fold, and that it was the Sena, it was Mr. Munde who resisted it and ensured that he does not get a place within the NDA, and that they would do so even this time around if a situation so arises. Also, the Sena says that if at all we are going to join our hands with the NCP, then what is the signal that we are sending to our cadres? Our cadres are going to be very confused. Why will our cadres accept us joining hands
right.
with the NCP? NCP is our rival, and then if at all we go along with them, who are we going to ask votes against? And,
right.
and that is, Sena has been quite clear about it, and they're just asserting the position so that they make their stand clear even for the BJP in case the BJP is thinking of any sort of a post-poll alliance with the NCP.
Of course, Megha, some very strong words coming from Uddhav Thackeray in the Samana today, and this is of course coming after Sharad Pawar said that Narendra Modi cannot run the nation, and like Megha was pointing out, this statement coming from Pawar just days after he backed the clean chit given to Modi in 2002 Gujarat riots.
स्वातंत्र्य मिळवण्यासाठी खस्ता खाल्ल्या होत्या, आणि म्हणून समाजाच्यासाठी, देशाच्यासाठी, गुलामगिरीचं बाहेर काढण्याच्यासाठी ज्यांनी दोन पावलं सुद्धा टाकली नाही, आज त्याग्रस्त सांगतायत काँग्रेस मुक्त देश करायचा आहे. माझ्यावरती काहीतरी परिणाम झालेला आहे. उगीच काही जास्त बोलण्यात अर्थ नाही. निवडणूक संपेल, त्यांचा पराभव करू आणि चांगलं कुठं हॉस्पिटल असल्याचं बघू. आम्ही त्याच्यावरती लक्ष घालू. आम्ही काळजी घेऊ त्याची. काही चिंता करण्याचं कारण नाही. त्यांच्या सहकार्यानं मी प्रेमाने सांगतो की आम्ही याची काळजी घेऊ. ते सांगायचं तात्पर्य असं की यांच्या हातामध्ये देश जीवन चालणार नाही. देश हा शेवटी देशाच्या हिताची दखल करणाऱ्या लोकांच्या हितामध्ये देश आहे.